Getting ready to make some snapper. I'm gonna make some escovitch snapper. So here in the sink here, I have some snappers already cleaned up. Came clean from the store. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit more, of course. Make sure they're nice and clean. Cut off some tails. What are you looking at me like that? Ooh, they already cut off the tails for me. How lovely. And I mean, I tell you, I don't know where your mom bought these snappers from, but whoever she bought them from, they did a fantastic job cleaning them up. I'm telling you, I gotta come to Fort Lauderdale to buy fish. Like, seriously. Putting in the bowl over here. This bowl has some lemon slices and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna let them sit in there each for a while as I'm cleaning them up. See, they even cut off. Whoa! Did she buy these at Broad Meat and Fish? I gotta find out. Wow.
Yeah, she bought them at that.
That's where she went to Broad Meat and Fish.
Mm-hmm.
They really look good, man. I miss Fort Lauderdale.
Because she had the barrel bags on the front and then she dumped them in the pool.
These are the reasons I miss Fort Lauderdale. I miss those Jamaican spots to buy my stuff from.
Oh, and it's a restaurant in Fort Lauderdale. It says curry chicken and rice, fried
I know.
lobster, and a lot.
And you love it? The thing I miss too, I miss the patty places.
Oh, yeah. That one.
Don't put your hand in there, she. I don't want you to smell. I get down and done. I don't want your hand smelling like the fish. I love eating fish, but I don't love the smell. So when I season it up, the seasoning can get all in there. I'm killing it more? I'm not killing it. It's already dead. Yes, so I'm not trying to kill it more. I'm just cutting the slices in here because once it's already dead, you can't kill it anymore. I just put the spices in there so I can, when you season it up, the season really get in there and really make the fish taste real good. She said, well, I'm killing the fish more, y'all. Oh God, they're so cute when they were small. Why can't they stay this way? They can't swim anymore. They're dead. They can't swim anymore. She said, at least I got water in the bowl so they can swim. More now, you're making me feel bad, okay? There's no more swimming for these fish. They are gone. They are gone, baby. They are gone.
So you cooking all of them?
Yes. Because I don't like to cook on Mondays, remember? So I can have leftovers, so I don't have to cook on Monday.
If you're gonna be finished when Mom cooks it?
Mommy's not coming, your dad is coming, right?
Both of them coming. I heard Daddy the problem.
Really? Interesting. I thought they would have been here by now.
But it's not. Wait, what about Haley though?
I don't think they're going to make it, sweetie, but like your mom says, they're going to come visit you guys as soon as the baby comes. Because they're always coming to visit They've been down there twice since Jackson was born, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they'll come back.
Is this clean?
But I need that to just wash up my hair again, yes.
So you didn't wash it?
I said I wash up my hair now. I don't want to wash it until I'm finished cooking. Hmm? Okay guys, so finished with this now. So I'm gonna move over to the counter soon and we're gonna season these up. Hmm? Alright guys, so in this bowl I'm gonna mix up my seasonings to season up the fish. So let me start with a little bit of salt. And some garlic powder, can you see? Some garlic powder. Let's get some seasoning salt. Some paprika. And this pimento, garlic pimento ginger seasoning. Again, you can just use some dry ginger and garlic powder. Of course, which I already used, but this is pimento and ginger. I just love the flavor of it. And I'm still going to add a little bit more ground allspice. Creole seasoning. And of course some Old Bay. I need to order another one. Okay guys, so I'm going to combine all this together. Really well. Let me bring the fishes back over here. I'm going to lay them on this so I can pat dry them and season them because they still have a little bit too much liquid on them, I'm sure. Since we're going to fry them, I want to pat dry them. You know what you missed, sweetie? When I was putting the slices in the side of the fish, Maura said, Grandma, the fish already dead, why are you killing it some more? And then when I had it in the bowl with lemon water, she said, at least you have it in some water so they can breathe. Can you believe you used to be that young and naive and mixed up with boo? Did you say boo at me going in the fish and Okay guys, so okay, Maura, spray that with some of the Lysol for me. Thank you, baby. See, Maura, now I'm going to get inside the belly of the fish. And then the slices that I make on the side that I told you about, I'm going to make sure some get in there too. Pardon me? Oh. Again? The long business. guys, I got one left. We finish seasoning this up and then we're gonna come back and fry them. So here in this pot over here I have some vegetable oil heated pretty hot. I'm gonna start frying the fish. 2 at a time can fit in here. Okay. Okay guys, so here's my peas cooked for my rice and peas to go with my fish. Originally I was not going to make any rice. I was going to make some coleslaw and some festival to go with the fried fish. But Jade says no, she wants her rice. So although I'm still making the festival, I'm making a little rice and peas as well. So my peas is cooked. I'm just seasoning it up now. Before I get the rice in there, so I just put my green onions in there. Put some fresh thyme in. And coconut milk. You okay? I have 2 open cans, so I'm just finishing them up in there. Okay. Let's season this up just a bit. A little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. And a bit of, oh my goodness, a little bit of seasoning salt. I'm gonna add I'm gonna add a half a stick of butter to this, and I'm gonna let it cook all together for maybe 15 minutes before I put my washed rice in there. Oh, I need to get a Scotch bonnet and pepper put in there too. So let me get that. Scotch bonnet pepper. Half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna let that cook, like I said, for 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna wash the rice and put it in. Okay guys, so I still haven't flipped the fish yet. The right, oh, I can smell the Scotch bonnet in that. So for the fish, I want to show you. I'm gonna make a little escovitch sauce. I have, let's see if you can, yeah, I have 1 onion I slice here, a pinch of fresh thyme. This is bell pepper. I put it away before I slice the green one also. And I got like 2 tomatoes, and I got a smidgen piece of ginger. And then I also have some carrots. I tried the julienne, but I did the best I could today, okay? So let's get the rice in the pot, and then I'm gonna show you some more. I don't know, you came over here like you ready to fight, or you got words for me. I don't know, like I did something. Okay, so let's get the rice in the pot. Also, what's gonna go in that escovitch sauce is gonna be this. This is a hot pepper sauce I made. The ingredients are Scotch bonnet pepper. I believe I also added 2 oh my god, why can't I never say the name? Those Spanish, it wasn't jalapeno. No. Yeah, I also added 2 habanero peppers in there. I added a bit of fresh parsley and fresh cilantro, and I ground it up in the processor. And this is a hot pepper sauce that Jade is madly in love with. Y'all know I don't eat this stuff, but I'm gonna put a little bit of it in the sauce for the fish. Oh, it also has a little bit of white vinegar in there to keep it. On Friday, when I knew what I was going to cook and I wasn't planning on making any rice, I made the original escovitch, Jamaican escovitch brine for the fish, which has onions, bell peppers, julienne carrots, Scotch bonnet, of course, in vinegar and water with a little bit of oil. So this is gonna have to go another day. Thank God it lasts a little while. And so guys, I think it's time to flip our fish. I'm heating up some oil back here because I'm so nice. I also have the dough here for festival. So I'm gonna get on that soon. If you want to for the festival what are you breaking up over there? Okay, for the festival I added about a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of all-purpose cornmeal. That was all I could find. And even though the cornmeal was all-purpose, I still added about a teaspoon of baking powder to the flour, a pinch of salt, and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And that's what I used to make the dough for the festival. So there you go, the shrimp, the fish. I just finally turned to fish. So I will see you back here soon. Okay guys, so we back. About to take these first set of fish out.
The eyeball.
Hmm?
The eyeball. I can take that.
You can do what?
I can take that home.
Hang on a second, let me get a spatula to help me. Because I don't... Where is my spatula? No, that's too small. Here's the one I'm looking for. Okay, now get down here for a second, please. Now hold this right here. Thank you.
I like this plate.
I should have put it on the drainer. It's okay. So guys, this is the first 2 fish. I'm gonna let the oil heat back up a little bit before I put any more in there. I'm gonna check on the oil for the yep, that's the oil. That's the oil for the festivals. I'm so sorry you can't see back there. If you want me to make a video for it, just let me know. So we're just gonna roll them. You wanna play with the piece? Here. You look here, I remember when I was little. Not much. Just rolling them. Let me guess, Ayana coming for a piece too?
Yeah,
Here. Turn this down. I don't want to burn them and they're not cook on the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 fish in the thing, sweetie, and then you can pause that for me, okay?
Are you recording?
I am, baby. Okay guys, so I'm putting 2 more fish in here.
And we will come back when the fish is
And I will
done.
see you back when these 2 are done, okay? And I'm continuing with the festival as well. Okay guys, I just want to show you real quick my festivals first batch. So fluffy and moist. I know some people cannot wait to get into them. My rice is just about done. You ever just have one of those days, I really excited to do this video, but I don't know what happened. It's like, just feel frazzled, like, something is just trying to stop me. What happened? Okay guys, so here's my first set of my festivals. I hope you can see that they are just so nice and fluffy. And I know some people around here who can't wait to get into them. They are so moist and yummy. Now, as you can see, the lid is off the rice because my rice is done. So look at this perfect rice and peas. Look at that. So I wanted to give you a tip. When you're cooking rice and peas or even white rice, if you feel you may have put a little bit too much liquid in there, you can always put a nice clean kitchen cloth over it, the pot with the cover. Or the truth is I use paper towel, and it helps to absorb some of the liquid. Us Jamaicans, we like to put foil paper over it because we don't put a lot of water, so we put foil paper over it, so it's slow cook, and the foil paper helps to steam the rice. I didn't, because this glass lid also helps to steam, and I guess after what? I won't tell you my age, it's none of your business, but after a certain amount of years, I kind of, can guesstimate the amount of water, so I don't always put foil paper. I just do that sometimes because these glass lids, like I said, they usually help with the steam. So here we go. I never had to add any water, and I have perfectly cooked rice and peas. Now guys, I'm going to continue to fry my fish. I'm going to continue to work on the festivals, and I will see you soon. Here are my fish. Now let's do the sauce here. Now I got a little of the fish oil heating here. I'm going to add the onions and the pieces of ginger. Yes, Jade, I said pieces of ginger in here. Let me get a little bit of minced garlic. I think better not stop making that dirty noise. Let's get my nose. Just a pinch of minced garlic, guys. Turn this up so we're not standing here all day waiting for this to saute. While we're waiting on that, I did go ahead and make the coleslaw, guys. If you remember that pepper sauce I showed you, I added a pinch of that to the coleslaw, mayo, white sugar, and white vinegar. And that's the coleslaw. And the pinch of the pepper sauce, Lord, when I say it kicked it up a notch, it's spicy like Jade love it, but the flavor is also amazing. So you have to give it a try. Let me know if you need more information on the recipe. I'll be happy to share it. Whew. Okay guys, I'm just going to add the rest of my vegetables in here. Tomatoes, bell pepper, and a piece of fresh thyme, as well as the carrots. Let me have this half a stick of butter in here. Oh no, that thing is not bad. Brown sugar. About 2 tablespoons. Okay. Okay, so you're back in the bed. Okay. Okay, guys, so to finish it up, I'm adding a little ketchup. I also make a similar sauce like this, guys, for my fried chicken, if you ever want to give it a try. But I believe the one for the fried chicken don't have the carrots in it. Okay, Jade say it doesn't. So yeah, the one for the fried chicken is minus the carrots, but it's pretty just like this for the fried chicken. It is so amazingly good. And so guys, that's it for my Sunday dinner. You see it here, snapper, fried snapper with amazing sauce, red beans and rice, festivals, and coleslaw, and my kicked up carrot juice that has some Guinness in there. I actually have a video for the carrot juice that's already loaded today. You can see that for the carrot juice. So guys, I'm gonna come back and show you a plate up. So see you back soon. Okay guys, so here is Sunday dinner. Just look absolutely delicious and amazing. Thank you so much for watching. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, God bless you. Love you all. Bye.